What's up guys, how you all doing? Today I'm gonna show you several life hacks with TIC TAC. So most of the time when I buy TIC TACs I have a problem to get the right amount of TIC TACs that I want. So let's open it up like this and let's say I want one, right? So let's see. I try to get one and see this, I get two. Sometimes I get three or four and sometimes I actually get one if I'm lucky. But there's actually a little trick to get only one TIC TAC if you want it. So I'll show you how it's done. So you close the lid and then turn it like this and then open very carefully. Look at that. And I only got one. So there's actually a little pocket here for a TIC TAC and it fits perfectly. Look at this. So let me show it closer. So you close the lid here, turn it, shake it just slightly, then carefully open the lid here, and here we go. Our TIC TAC is here. Just one, not two, not three, but one. Pretty awesome idea actually. Well, after you finish your TIC TAC, hopefully not at once because it's too many of them, you can still use the box. For example, you can put paper clips in there. And I have a giant ones here, but they will still fit like that. Look at this. They all in there. Or if you're traveling somewhere and you have your toothbrush with you, but you don't have anything to cover the brush, you can use this box. So basically what we're gonna do is to insert the toothbrush like this, the sideways. Like that. And then turn it, and here we go. And it's not coming out unless you turn it this way and forcefully take it out. So it's pretty secure inside there. You see that? That's pretty cool. And now you can keep it in your purse or in your bag and you can see it's not coming out. It's pretty secure there. And to take it out, you just turn it sideways and kind of just take it out this way. And here we go. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. Let me know what you think about these life hacks. And as usual, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you next time.